Alright, today is August 18th, and I'm going to use this Woodmizer, the Kohler Pro 15, to saw this ash log. Just a little demonstration. So first I'm going to lift the blade high enough to be able to get over the log, to back it up. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Easy to do with two. Then I lower the saw until we can take off the scab. So it looks to me like about 13 inches. There's 13 inches there. But because of the shape of the log, I'm going to come down another inch to 12, and this will give us a good start. I've got the water running from the water tank. That's going to lubricate and cool the blade, and it cleans the blade. The engine with the blade, and it doesn't take much effort to push the saw through. Pull the scab off. Now we've got a good start here, so this will make a decent board, but it'll end up with a big live edge. Now we'll just back the saw along the log. We're cutting 4 quarters, so that's 1-inch boards. So it lines up 2 notches ahead of the line is where it lines up, and then that'll be down to 11. So we're safely an inch above the highest heel. Now we can also bring the guide in just to make sure the saw blade has more support. A little bit of a square cut. And then we have a board which will have a significant live edge, but it's also a beautiful ash board. Just cut right through the knot without any problems at all. And we'll just set this one up. Now what we would do is turn the log 90 degrees to cut the next side off. And then we would turn the log another 90 degrees until we have a square beam. From there, we would just shave it down into 1-inch boards. So this is a nice, super hard green ash log, and the saw cut it no problem. Now in the front, now we turn the saw off. One of the rules is you don't walk in front of the saw with the motor running. To change a blade, it's as easy as opening up the covers on the front, and then loosening the tension. I don't have gloves on, so I'm not gonna touch that saw blade, and plus it's gonna be kind of hot. But you just loosen the tension, and then the blade just comes right off. It takes about 5 minutes to change a blade. The wheels have a rubber, almost like a fan belt on there. They don't have to fit tight. They're just on there to provide friction for the metal saw blade. And that's the saw. I'm going to lock this before I forget and turn off the water. Let's see, one other thing. It's got nice, clean, fresh oil. see if we can, you can hardly even see the oil on there because it's so nice and clean. And that's the saw.